How to check your Tide balance, a quick guide. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to check your Tide balance but couldn't figure out how? It's a common dilemma, especially if you're new to the platform or haven't used it in a while. Well, fear not. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to check your Tide balance. Tide is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers various services, including buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Knowing your balance is essential for managing your funds and making informed decisions. Step 1. Access your Tide account. The first step is to log into your Tide account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Tide website. Enter your email address and password, then click the login button. Step 2. Locate the balance section. Once you're logged in, look for the balance section. This is usually located on the dashboard or main page of your account. It might be labeled as Wallet, Funds, or something similar. Step 3. View your balance. Click on the balance section, and you should see a list of your available funds. This will include your total balance as well as the balances of individual cryptocurrencies you hold. Check multiple wallets. If you have multiple wallets on Tide, you'll need to check each one individually to see your total balance. Understand different balances. Tide may display different types of balances, such as available balance, pending balance, and locked balance. Make sure you understand what each one represents. Use the Tide app. If available, if Tide has a mobile app, you can also check your balance through the app. The process is usually similar to the web version. Checking your Tide balance is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you'll be able to easily monitor your funds and make informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.